You've probably seen helicopters hovering over traffic, chasing storms, or rescuing people in tough spots, but have you ever wondered, how does this weird flying machine actually work? Unlike airplanes that need to move forward to stay in the air, helicopters can take off vertically, hover in place, and even fly sideways or backwards, and the secret is in those spinning blades on top. The big blades you see spinning are called the main rotor. As these blades cut through the air, they generate lift, the upward force that keeps the helicopter in the sky. Each blade is shaped like a wing, curved on top and flat underneath. As it moves, air travels faster over the top than the bottom. This creates lower pressure above the blade and higher pressure below, pushing the helicopter up. But here's where it gets really interesting. A helicopter isn't just about going up and down, it can move in literally any direction. Pilots use something called the cyclic control to tilt the rotor disc. Want to move forward? Tilt it forward, backward, tilt it back. Same goes for left and right. This is how helicopters can pull off those sideways moves and precision hovering you see in movies and rescue missions. But there's one problem. When the main rotor spins, it creates torque, a twisting force that would spin the helicopter's body in the opposite direction. To stop this, helicopters use a tail rotor. It pushes sideways, counteracting that spin and keeping the helicopter stable. The tail rotor works to balance the spin of the helicopter, ensuring stable and controlled flight. Pilots control the tail rotor with foot pedals, allowing them to turn the helicopter left or right in mid-air. Not all helicopters use a traditional tail rotor. Some use enclosed fans called fenestrons, or clever systems like NOTAR, which blows air out of the tail to stabilize the helicopter. It's a cool bit of modern aviation engineering. So, next time you see a helicopter hovering overhead, remember the incredible physics and engineering that makes it possible. A flying machine that moves in every direction, stays in one spot, and doesn't need a runway? Now that's genius. Subscribe for more explainer videos.